Hey beauties, happy Sunday. So I recorded this video earlier this morning, but just uploading it now in the evening. What you're looking at is a beautiful arrangement of magnolias I put together sometime last year, and it's my favorite, and I have it in the living room up until this day. But in this video, we are going to recycle the poinsettias that so delighted us during the Christmas holiday season. So actually these are fall poinsettias. They're not real poinsettias. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck the poinsettias from their stems, and I am going to use some rosebuds from a wreath I have. Here's the wreath, and I'm just gonna pluck the rosebuds from this wreath, and I'm gonna pluck them onto the stems where the poinsettias were, to create an entire new bouquet of flowers. Hey, during this time of budgeting, I'm letting my innovative juices flow. So we're going to make an entire bouquet of roses all together with these bare stems. Yeah, so we're just going to arrange the roses that I plucked from the wreath. As a matter of fact, I have a beautiful arrangement of tulips wreath on my front door that I meant to video record, but I'll do that another time. But yeah, so we're just recycling our floral stems here. And that's what we're going to do. I so had wished I would have manicured my hand before filming this video. My hands are looking kind of rough in this video here. But anyways, the show must go on. I was just so excited to get the video up and rolling. So yeah, so I'm just making this floral arrangement on this once used to be poinsettia stems. I got some moss, some green moss. It smells so good. And I got some baby breath. And when I bought these, it looked like I could pluck them apart. But now that I'm looking at it, it looks like it's stuck together. Oh, well. Yeah. And I'm not even able to cut it because it's too thick for the scissors. I went off camera for a moment to try. But anyways, so I'm just going to do the best that I can with these baby breath. Maybe if I just pluck one off. Well, I'm just going to place them on the side for the moment, and I'm going to start making the arrangements with these beautiful arrangements of lavender. So pretty. Take the tag off. And some carnation and a big old fluffy rose. So this styrofoam I got from Walmart, and this little plastic container I got from Walmart as well. And the Spanish moss I got from Walmart as well. And it smells so good. I had this for the moss for about a year, and it's still so fresh and smells so good. I kept in the little plastic bag it came in. So I'm wondering what this styrofoam will look like, or what this arrangement will look like if I put the styrofoam underneath the moss and then try to Will I be able to stick it in? Nope. Doesn't look like it's going to be a great idea. So it's best for me to do it the way I had it before. So this is so easy to do. Basically, you're going to get some floral arrangements from the Dollar Tree. Get some moss and a styrofoam, green preferably, and just start sticking the stems inside the styrofoam. I like to make it look wide in the middle and then have like one flower sticking up as though it's reaching for the sky. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make these arrangements and just watch and enjoy the music, and we'll see the finished results shortly. Okay, I'm done. Here's the finished look. What do you all think? I love the way the lavender just adds such a special touch to this arrangement. And I think the rose at the top looks a little lonely there. Perhaps I could have gotten some more baby breath and just put some baby breath up top with it. What do you all think? I displayed it in front of the choreo so that you can see it a little bit better on this display. And I have my mother's condolence book there on the left. Rest in peace, Mom. She passed away in 2022. I noticed a little stem by the rose, and it just needed a little bud. So I plucked a rosebud from the existing wreath and just plucked it on there. Yeah, it looks pretty, I think. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. And if you want to stick around for things that are beautiful and fashion and entrepreneur ventures, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.